Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for June 16 to 30, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. So let's see the update. June 16 to 30, 2024. Mukhang meron kayong pinagdadaanan, Scorpio, ha? Okay. So you have the Knight of Wands as the bottom of the deck. So maaring merong mga kailangan kang asikasuhin, mabilisan. Second half ng June 16 June 16 to 30. Maaring related to sa pera, no? Sa mga sa trabaho mo, sa business mo. I think ito yung mga hindi mo binigyan ng attention ng mga nakaraan eh. Parang sinet aside mo, tapos ngayon parang mamadaliin mo siyang ayusin. Pwedeng may nagpatong-patong na opportunities or obligation, responsibilities, kaya kailangan mo tong madaliin. Okay, so for your overall energy this week, you have the Eight of Wands. So, like what I mentioned kanina, may mga asikasuhin ka. These are messages, actions, travel, no? Yung tipong going to and from. May mga errands ka na asikasuhin ngayong second half ng June. Pwedeng related to sa sasakyan mo, no? May magpapa-PM ka, PMS, no? Or car registration, or kung ano-ano pang mga errands na kailangan mong asikasuhin. You have the Three of Swords as your challenge. Yung iba sa inyo, merong disappointment, no? Pwedeng disappointment sa work, disappointment sa relationship. Where is this disappointment? Saang area of life? Sa 5th house. So, pwedeng disappointment sa anak, no? Kung malalaki na yung anak nyo, or pwedeng meron kayong mga creative na kailangan gawin, mga creative pursuits na hindi nyo nagagawa. So you feel disappointed. Some of you, if you are dating someone, pwedeng this person is showing some red flags and you feel disappointed. So your opportunity is the Nine of Swords. So as an opportunity, you will be able to recover from this, no? Kung you've been overthinking, na tipong ang hirap makatulog. So may opportunity ka na to find peace, to get more clarity in your situation. Okay? And then your blessing is the Four of Cups. I think, kaya to nangyayari, no? Kaya meron kang disappointments is, it's like, sinasabi ng universe sa'yo na, huy, hindi para sa'yo yan. There's something better for you na kailangan mo bigyan ng attention. So there's a new beginning coming in, pero you're still focusing on sa mga bagay na hindi ka naman masaya or hindi ka kontento, 'di ba? So there's a blessing coming in sa'yo, something na hindi mo nakikita, hindi mo pa parang hindi mo pa nararamdaman, but it's there, it's coming. So for your money, career, finances, you have the Six of Pentacles and the Eight of Swords. I feel like parang feeling mo, especially sa trabaho, sa career, feeling mo you're not getting what you deserve, no? Parang pakiramdam mo, you've been putting so much effort, nagtatrabaho ka, nag-effort ka, nagpapakapagod ka para sa trabaho, sa business, sa career mo, but you feel like hindi mo nakukuha yung rewards, no? So maybe because there is something na parang you are putting your energy sa ibang bagay na alam mong hindi na siya worth it. Okay? And then you also have the Queen of Cups and the Queen of Wands for your love life. Okay? If you are in a relationship right now, maaring you will travel with your romantic person. Pwedeng kayo lang dalawa talaga, walang ibang kasama, kahit may anak na kayo or kung may friends kayo. I feel like you will be spending more time together to be more closer than ever. Okay, let us clarify. What is the Eight of Wands? Ano tong 8 of Wands na to as your overall energy? The 10 of Vessels. So, related sa family, yung kailangan mong ayusin, asikasuhin, pwedeng inheritance, pwedeng mga events sa family, pwedeng merong ikakasal sa family. So, you really have to be there for them. What is the 3 of Swords? The 3 of Staves. I feel like meron ditong pinaasa, no? Pwedeng pinaasa ka sa work, pinaasa ka ng person mo. Tapos, you feel disappointed kasi hindi niya pala kayang panindigan yung mga pinangako niya. What is the 9 of Swords? The Moon. You feel so emotional. Oo. Maaring you are beginning to see through, no? Kumbaga nakikita mo na yung totoo. Kasi the moon is also about revealing, no? Revealing or revelation something na hindi mo napapansin before. So that is your opportunity to see the truth. Makita yung katotohanan. What is the 4 of Cups? You have the 10 of Staves. So yung iba sa inyo, you've been doing a lot, no? Parang nakakapagod, you've been working so hard, and you feel na hindi yan napapansin sa work, hindi nare-recognize, or even sa relationship, na tipong you've been putting a lot of work sa relationship ninyo, pero ba't parang kalaging kulang dun sa partner mo? But I think, no, as a blessing, you will see kung ano talaga yung totoo. Maliliwanagan ka, you will get clarity from this situation, and mapapansin mo yung bagong opportunities na nag-open up sa'yo. Dahil dito sa mga na-experience mo na parang feeling mo, you're doing too much, no? Masyado ka ng maraming ginagawa para sa isang trabaho, sa career, sa business, or sa relationship na hindi ka nare-recognize. So, what is the 6 of Pentacles? You have the 8 of Vessels. Yeah, so yung iba sa inyo may plans na kayo of leaving a career, a business, or a job na hindi ka nag-grow. Wow. You will explore other opportunities. I think gagawin mo to in silence, no? Kumbaga, tahimik ka lang magpaplano, what you want for your future, for your career. Kumbaga, susuluhin mo lang muna to, hindi mo ipapaalam sa iba yung plano mo. And kapag sigurado ka na, saka ka magsasabi na ano yung mga plano mo. Some of you, pwedeng i-consider nyo na mag-abroad or to start a business na merong international clients. Sa love life naman, what is the Queen of Cups? So you may be dealing with a fellow water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces then. 6 of Vessels, wow, there's so much love in this relationship. There's so much love. Yung iba sa inyo, if your person, kung sa tingin nyo yung person nyo ay hindi nakakapagbigay ng oras at panahon sa inyo, babawi to. Babawi siya. Or maaring ikaw mismo, kung ikaw yung wala masyadong oras at panahon sa partner mo, ikaw yung babawi sa kanya. You will spend more time together. Second half ng June. Na kumbaga hindi pa huli ang lahat, na magbakasyon, magpumunta sa beach, have fun, relax, enjoy. Go the distance, yes. I think meron kang mga itatry na mga bagay na hindi mo pa nagagawa before, especially in your career. You want to try new things, you want to explore your options, okay? You also have community. So I feel na you are part of a community na kung saan you are being supported, no? Maaring ikaw ay isang social media influencer and people are supporting what you are doing. Dahil nakaka-empower din yun, or parang you make them feel inspired. Yeah. Okay, let's see what else. Wow, for soul's growth. Growth is never easy. They have faith and trust in their journey. Yes. 'Di ba? Ang growth nangyayari yan pag merong pagbabago. And I feel like itong change na to, for most of you, nangyayari to related sa career ninyo, sa finances niyo, sa trabaho niyo. Lalo na if you feel like it's no longer parang hindi na siya fulfilling, no? You want to explore new options, you want to explore other opportunities. And minsan kailangan may mag-end, no? Meron kang kailangang iwanan for you to be able to see other options. And through that, no, makakapag ano ka, mas mapapalawak mo yung iyong opportunities. And therefore, magkakaroon ng growth. Okay? So that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. Bye.